TradeLink Technologies.
TradeLink Technologies brings decades of expertise in supply chain accuracy into RFID-enabled environments. We focus on true inventory accountability, not just basic tracking. We combine deep RFID scanning experience, including the use of RFID tunnels, with a structured and proven project delivery methodology and an AI-powered reporting platform. In this video, we will walk you through how TradeLink applies this expertise within the hospital, delivering an accurate, real-time inventory tracking solution that tracks every item from the moment it arrives, all the way through to the patient ward. Within the hospital, the linen journey moves across several key departments. New linen is first received at the new linen department, then sent to the laundry department for washing and processing. Once cleaned, it is stored in the clean linen department before being distributed to the Ward 5C storage room and onward to the 5C patient ward for use. This video uses hospital towels as an example to demonstrate how our real-time inventory tracking solution works within a hospital environment. The journey begins here, at the new linen department. An RFID tag is attached to each towel, making every towel unique and enabling it to be tracked through every stage of its journey. Hospital staffs perform a visual inspection to ensure the RFID tag is securely sewn into each towel before the towel begins its usage cycle. After the inspection, the towels are commissioned into hospital inventory. Hospital staffs place them on the tabletop RFID reader, which reads all items at once. No need to scan one by one. The tablet connected to the RFID reader immediately confirms the scans. As soon as the user clicks the Confirm button, each item's unique electronic product code, EPC, is registered in the inventory system. This record will also update the dashboard instantly. Watch the total inventory count rise. These towels are now officially part of the hospital's linen pool. The towels remain here until a replenishment request is received. When a replenishment request comes in, the team prepares the required towels and scans them out to send it to the laundry room for washing before it becomes available as part of the clean towel inventory. The tablet connected to the reader immediately confirms the scans. As soon as the user clicks the Confirm button, the new linens will be scanned out. The tablet confirms how many items have been scanned out in this batch. Immediately, the numbers will reflect on the dashboard. For this example, the dashboard records the departure. The dashboard can also be reflected per location. Click the drop-down menu here to be directed to the specific location. At the bottom, the latest item activity log also shows the anomaly of the towels. Once the towels leave the new linen department, our system begins tracking transit time. The suitable expected window to reach the laundry department will be predefined in the system. If this is exceeded, the system records this anomaly in the reports. This monitoring system applies to all towels in transit between locations. For example, the Asset 360 report gives supervisors a clear view of any linen flagged for exceeding transit thresholds, with the threshold and current status displayed for each item. For the purpose of this example, we have predefined a set time as 6 hours. The linen inventory status report also captures in-transit anomalies. Any anomaly flagged that exceeded the defined time frame will be flagged here. This helps staff identify and resolve delays before they escalate. The towels have arrived at the laundry department. Upon arrival, they are scanned in through the RFID tunnel. As the new towels pass through the tunnel, all items are read in one pass. The tablet confirms the number of items scanned in. The staff will confirm the scan by clicking the Confirm button. The towels are now officially logged under the laundry department. The dashboard updates in real time. The towel's location is now reflected under the laundry department, and the transit from the new linen department is closed. Once the towels are clean and packed, they are scanned out through the tabletop scanner before being loaded onto the cart, heading to the clean linen department. The tablet confirms the scan out of the towels. The towels are now in transit. The dashboard records the departure instantly. Transit monitoring to the clean linen department now begins. The system tracks the elapsed time against a predefined expected window and flags any delays. In this example, the expected window is set to 2 hours. Clean, tracked, and on its way. Next stop, the clean linen department. As soon as the towels arrive at the clean linen department, they are scanned in through the RFID tunnel. All items are read in a single pass as the clean towels move through the tunnel. The tablet confirms the scan-in. The towels are now logged under the clean linen department. The dashboard reflects the updated inventory in real time. To store the towels, staff scan the shelf's QR code using a scanning device, such as the handheld scanner. This registers exactly which sublocation each batch of towels is stored in. When clean towels needs to be replenished to the Ward 5C storage room, the towels will be scanned out through the RFID tunnel. The tablet confirms the scan out. The towels are now logged out of the clean linen department and in transit to the Ward 5C storage room. The dashboard displays the par value of towels available in the Ward 5C storage room. Hospital staffs can refer to this par value to restock the correct amount of towels. The towels have arrived at the Ward 5C storage room. Scanning is done with either a tabletop scanner or handheld device, depending on what suits the space of the location. For bigger spaces, a tabletop scanner will be ideal. For smaller spaces, a handheld scanner will be ideal. Staff use the tabletop scanner to scan in the arriving towels. Once the scan is confirmed, the towels are officially logged under the Ward 5C storage room. The dashboard reflects the updated stock in real time. The Ward 5C storage room inventory count is now recorded. When a towel needs to be used in the Ward 5C room, it will be scanned out from the storage room through either the tabletop scanner or a handheld device. Once the scan is confirmed, the towels are officially logged out of the Ward 5C storage room to Ward 5C. Once again, the dashboard reflects the updated stock in real time. The towel is recorded as in use in Ward 5C. When a towel becomes soiled and needs to be replaced, the dirty towels will be placed in the designated laundry bags located next to the Ward 5C. During the scan-out process, hospital staff select the correct soiling level, such as infectious or moderate, on the tablet before completing the scan. Once the towels are scanned out, it is ready to be transported to the laundry department for washing. When the laundry bags arrive at the laundry department and are scanned, hospital staffs can identify the soiling level from the scan-out record. This provides hospital staff with guidance on the required number of wash cycles and the appropriate cleaning agents to be used. After cleaning, they are returned to inventory, ready to repeat the same usage cycle. Throughout this end-to-end workflow, data is continuously captured at every scan point and consolidated into our Inventory One dashboard and online reporting tools. The dashboard delivers a real-time visual overview of key inventory information, while the reporting function provides detailed data breakdowns for deeper analysis and audit purposes. Both operational staff and management can leverage these tools. Operational teams use them to monitor daily inventory movements and track usage in real time, while executives and management gain a high-level view of inventory performance and key business metrics to support informed, data-driven decision-making. The dashboard is customizable, allowing the hospital to surface the most critical data based on its operational needs and priorities. In this customized version designed for hospital use, all essential inventory metrics are presented in the scorecards, making it easy to spotlight inventory health at a glance. Below the scorecards, dashboard displays the latest stock levels at each location, as well as items currently in transit between locations. This information is also available in the Linen Inventory Status Report, where it is presented with a more detailed and granular breakdown, including items currently in transit. The status color on the report allows hospital staff to spotlight items that needs attention. Any item that exceeds the defined threshold will be highlighted in red. The Linen Traceability Report shows the movement of each item, providing details on the journey of the towel from commissioning through daily use. This enables precise investigation of where, when, and how each item moved through the hospital. To support proactive inventory control, the Recent Anomalies section provides early visibility into potential inventory risks, such as towels not scanned within expected timeframes, or items remaining in a location longer than defined thresholds. By highlighting these risk indicators, the section enables both operational teams and management to quickly identify abnormal patterns and take timely corrective action. For further analysis, the Linen Asset 360 report allows staff to explore a more detailed breakdown of inventory data across all linen items. The report provides an all-in-one view of last seen activity, transit behavior, usage frequency, and asset condition, enabling teams to assess asset health, investigate anomalies in greater detail, and identify items that may require replacement or further attention. The weekly consumption forecast analyzes historical towel usage and applies predictive analytics to estimate future consumption trends. Forecasted demand is displayed alongside current active inventory levels in a line graph, allowing staff to clearly visualize whether projected consumption is expected to exceed available stock and proactively plan replenishment actions. The Linen Replenishment Plan Report provides visibility into the condition of active towels by identifying items that are end of life or nearing replacement based on life cycle usage. By combining forecasted consumption with asset health and replacement timelines, management can better understand potential supply risks and plan replenishment more accurately. Finally, the dashboard includes an AI-powered data assistant that gives hospital staff instant access to any inventory data they need. Staff can search or ask questions in plain language, and the assistant immediately surfaces the relevant data, key insights, and supporting visual charts. These results can also be exported as a PDF, making it easy to share reports and highlights with the wider team. By connecting real-time RFID tracking with advanced analytics and forecasting, TradeLink empowers hospital management with the insight needed to maintain inventory accuracy, ensure supply availability, and drive operational efficiency. While this demonstration focuses on hospital linen, TradeLink's solution extends beyond bed linens, enabling real-time tracking of uniforms, medical equipment, and devices. It is equally adaptable to the hotel industry and any sector that requires accurate end-to-end inventory tracking. TradeLink Technologies, trusted partner for SME technology solutions.